shining.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, this video is gonna be a little bit different than what we usually do. Today, we're gonna be replacing a subframe on a Dodge Charger, as we have right here. Paul already brought the new subframe in. And what actually happened to this subframe? Did it just get a little bit destroyed, or
I don't know. I don't know. I think he hit like some sort of pole or something.
She
did.
Okay,
she
makes
ran
sense.
into a what was that?
A median?
No, not a median. A parking.
Oh,
Parking.
And then she probably got out and got up on the roof to inspect the damages.
No, but these subframes, they crinkle pretty easy. You can see it's just like a single wall.
Cool.
What's going on with it? Is it alignment off, or is the wheel back, or?
No, this. I'm pretty sure this part right here is touching the the bottom of the engine.
Oh, it's probably causing vibrations. So let's go ahead and get this thing up in the air and see what's going on with it.
So Paul was right. The subframe, get your big head out the way. The subframe is touching the engine right here, just a little bit. And it's good that it didn't get damaged too much more, because it could have easily busted that pan open and all the oil could have drained out.
And then kept going.
Oh yeah.
And then it would have been an engine.
Yeah. So fortunately,
That was a
for
hard
his
hit, though.
sake,
You gotta slam it.
yeah, you really gotta hit something really hard. I mean, that thing just took a good old lick. So here's the game plan. We are going to make V-Tuned replace the entire subframe himself, and we're just simply going to record. He has his work boots on today, so I think he's ready to go. What do you think, Ben? You like that idea?
I kind of like it, but I'd probably have to change my shoes.
Hey.
No, it doesn't look like a hard one. I mean, it's a couple bolts here and there. You got electronic steering, so there's no brake fluid that you're going to have to mess with or anything like that.
Yeah. All right, so what we need to do, we need to suspend the engine from the top. Probably just put like a 2x4 across it, strap it up. That way it can hang with the subframe off.
Or get the transmission jack, put it right here.
But then you have to move the transmission jack to get the new subframe.
Yeah, I guess you could do it like that. I mean,
And
I did it
so-
on my Subaru. I just put a transmission, or I actually used my cherry picker and lodged it up against the engine. It works.
Well, this is 23rd garage, not ghetto garage.
Hey, whatever gets the job done. Hey, this.
All right, so we need to pop the wheels off. We need to support the motor, unhook the power steering rack, and drop the subframe. I mean, it's as simple as that. This is probably one of the easiest subframe operations ever. All right, so as you can see, very big difference in the two. This one's just completely flat. Look at that. And then this one looks absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're gonna go have a little lunch break. I'm gonna tape my finger up, and then we'll pop this thing back on. Look at that. We got everything buttoned up under here. She is ready for alignment. I had to drill a couple of more holes and put some more clips into here because it was broken. But man, look at that. That is nice and solid. It's got a busted tab right there, but I think it's going to hold. What do you think, Nate?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty solid.
What do you think, Paul?
Yeah, that'll work.
Now we just need to run it down to alignment, or we might need to put the wheels back on it first.
Bullshit.
Is that the only thing you unscrewed right there? Kind of dusty. She a little dusty. All right, I think she's ready for a little test run.
All right, first test drive, Paul. You think we'll make it?
Why not? Jump out the engine now. That's good. It's already straight. Not really pulling, so that's good. Filter systems. Are you sure that's right? Pretty close. This is a toilet paper filter.
Yep,
I don't like it. Is that the only thing you got?
we've got the desiccant beads and the tune-up kit.
But my filters, my whole system is. There'd be too much work. I need something quick. I guess I could probably just use that for now. What is that? Toilet paper filter. Oh,
okay.
This is
I know what you need.
the regulator and everything now. Yeah, let's go see how much this thing is. Now, can I open this up? Make sure maybe there's gold inside. All right, let's do it. Just make it quick and painless. Water.
What is that? Oh yeah, make it go, mate. Make it go. Do we have Teflon tape? What? What's wrong?
Take this off too.
Oh yeah. Dude, look at all this extraness though.
Yeah, there's a bunch of extra.
Dude, you could just pipe that thing right in
Here's
the
the
side.
thing we need.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to take all this off.
It first.
It's gonna move in some. Oh, that was close call there, sir. Yeah, buddy, look at that. That looks good. I even took the liberty to sweep up around it. You know, got to start somewhere. Get little baby steps. Got to get this place clean and up and running at elite performance levels. So we've got this one pipe, and you guys seen previously before what was going on here. It was just a big, huge mess. And now we have a direct flow from our compressor right into our beautiful toilet paper filter. And the reason why I say toilet paper filter is because it literally looks like a roll of toilet paper. And
Fancy toilet paper right
yeah,
there.
and you know what? If you want, you can, if you run out of toilet paper, you can run over here, grab the toilet paper filter, use it, but you got to make sure to put it back. You know, you don't want Paul getting mad. So as soon as those lines set up real good, we'll turn the air on, and then after it blows everything out of those lines real good, we'll pop the filter on there, and then we'll be good to go. And hopefully that'll give us a whole lot cleaner of a paint job, because before there was really nothing. The old filter was just really bad. It was really crappy. It was really old, and so I think this is going to help a lot.
Where are we going, Yuri?
We're going to the new Goon Squad shop. We need to drop off the 5.0. 5.0's looking absolutely gorgeous, mate. Yeah.
What's up, Yuri? What's up, man? Good to see you guys.
Toss me the keys, bud.
Go ahead and get it dirty. Go put some rock chips in.
I know, don't even want to
Go make some donuts.
Go drive behind a dump truck right quick.
Yeah.
That's what happened. The semi truck tire blew out and ripped the whole front end off.
Oh, is that why you guys ended up repainting it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it ripped the lip up and it busted all that stuff up. And then the hood looked like junk.
Now
So
we need to make that car look like this.
That's true. Hey, and this car right here.
Now, I already told him about that one. I said, let me paint that one.
Y'all need to do is float coat it.
What's that?
So sand it down with a 1500, put another 2 coats of clear on it,
Mhm.
and then sand that clear and buff it.
Ooh,
Yeah, then you can get that really deep.
it's gonna be a show car.
Yeah, well, I mean that's what you want, right?
Yes, sir.
that is loud.
Is that open headers?
Yeah, right now, yeah. But look, I did the 2018 center console that way
Oh,
it can have the
snap.
shifter. Did all that and then
Man, that looks
it,
good.
look, you press the brakes and it unlocks it. And I did the wireless charger, it works. So everything is working on there.
Man, that thing fit in there perfectly.
I know, it's nice and stout. When the seats are in, it looks really good.
That's legit.
Heck yeah, that's awesome.
We're just pumping the brakes and we're about to go for our first test
Go
drive.
make some donuts.
Try to. We just got our custom drive shaft in and everything. We're about to see what she's all about. That's pretty much it. And then once it's driving, we're gonna throw the interior together, throw all the glass in, and
Man, that's
get her
gonna be
dialed
awesome.
in. That's the only thing that,
That's all you're lacking?
yeah, basically just have everything just however on there for now. But yeah, they're custom building the fenders and bumpers because like the OEM ones are way too expensive. So just whatever. Got some-
This thing is dangerous, boys.
Is it?
Dude, I
looks
took
good.
off. Dude, that thing is just insane.
Because like you say, you try to do a burnout, it's so light in the front,
Yeah.
it just bobsleds it.
But when you
basically.
take off on the road, dude, just every gear just spinning.
It's
Spinning
scary.
and grinning.
It's
How does it
scary.
not have
It's
traction?
all
Got so
motor.
much weight in the back.
I don't know. It's
Need some
just-
stickier tires.
Yeah, it takes off.
It's got a twin turbo kit already built for it. That the guy
was gonna
people that
put
built
on
You
this
just
car-
said it's got too much power.
I know, I know.
Yeah, he
but
built all this
we
for the
kinda
twin
changed our
turbo kit.
mind.
You know, the intercooler's right there.
Wait, you
but
changed your mind what?
on throwing a twin turbo. on
after
it,
driving.
Oh yeah, it doesn't sound like it needs it. It's a
It
plastic car with a V8
Yeah.
in it.
pretty much.
Pretty much.
You may not need it, but you might want it.
That's what
Right,
I'm saying.
that's what I
It'd be
said.
cool.
It'd be legit for sure. But yeah, we'll let you know whenever it's throw
Whenever
some
the
paint
time
on
comes. Take care.
it. We're leaving right now.
Bye. See you guys.
Yeah. All right, so we are over here at V-Tune Garage and we are checking out the progress on the Mustang. And there's a lot of changes have been made. I'm noticing the rocker panel is looking kind of beast. I like it. We were talking about it last time. He was going to bring it down. It's going to give the car a lower center of gravity. And because you know these older cars, they're always jacked up a little high. You know, it's kind of a lot of space underneath it. So this longer rocker, I guess it's longer, or is it lower? How would you say it, Nate? Deeper, lower, longer?
I don't know.
Yeah, and then the wheel well design is coming together, but we actually we need somebody to render this car. Like if we could get a rendering, that way we could play around with this design right here, that would be optimal. So if anybody out there knows how to render vehicles and how to custom design vehicles, we would be open to working with you. And you know, obviously we're gonna pay you, and then we'll give you a lot of exposure as well, you know, so you can flex all your skills. But if we could get a rendering, because there's like 3 different designs that we want to go with, and you know, building each design and then looking at it and seeing if that's the way you want to go, that's a lot of work. You know, you got to be smart about it. So what I'm thinking is, I like the design that's here, but we need to see it as a finished product. You know, so like this right here will need to be cut, boom, 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 shaped and molded and made, and like, so you can see the finished wheel with the wheels on it, with the car sitting on the ground, like actually on the ground. So, you know, I don't know, maybe somebody out there knows what they're doing, you know. But I like it. I like the idea. It's just the only issue is getting the perfect shape. That's our problem. And this thing is looking good. Hey, we're actually going to be painting this truck, so stay tuned for that video. We are going to be doing a collaboration with B-Tune. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.